Hey everyone, I'm Will from WH Creations, and today a little product review. Now this is in no way sponsored whatsoever. It's something that I purchased myself after seeing tools today use it along with making signs on their CNC, and it's called Oramask. This stuff, I have to admit, is absolutely amazing. I still need to spray it, but check it out. Not one blown bit. There's no curled edges. It's seamless. Now I have used a new 90-degree carbide bit for this to make this sign, and I'm absolutely in love. I need to spray it and see what it looks like eventually after I've taken it all off to see if there's any bleed. So I'm going to do that right now. I'm rather disappointed. I actually hoped this was going to be really good, but as you can see, I've got loads of bleed. I really hoped that it wasn't going to be the case. I'm gonna have to sand it again, but the whole point is that I sanded it before I even applied the Oramask, and I should have just been able to take this off and to start putting oil on it, but that's not the case. So, unfortunately, I don't know. Do I need more practice with the Oramask? Do I need to give it more time? Do I need to sand it to a higher grit to get a better adhesion? Because I had a pretty good adhesion anyway. I don't know. I'm a little bit miffed. Is probably the best way of saying it. A bit miffed. I thought it was going to be better.